Today's pronunciation lesson is contrasting the sounds and ah. First, I will use each sound in a word. Then, I will put the words into a sentence so that you can hear them, together with contextual clues. Please listen closely to the differences in the sounds. First, the ah sound in the word pot. 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 Now the sound in the word put. 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 Now I will use them both in a sentence. She put down the pot. She put down the pot. She put down the pot. Thank you for watching CartoonEnglish.tv's pronunciation lesson. Come visit our website for free lessons, games, and chat. Bye!